Hello friends, it's Miss Night. I am so glad you're here. I wanted to walk you through one of our assignments for our mammal research, really. So you're gonna use EPIC, it says right here, to research different animals. Respond with a screen capture, recording, or text that explains a mammal characteristic. So in here is embedded, you can click here and then log in here. If that doesn't work, because it keeps on pushing me out, here is a link right here that you can click. So you can click that link and it brings you to EPIC. Now, you can just scroll through and look that way, but it's easier if we want to search. So we are going to use our search bar, and you can see here that other things popped up. So animals and their habitats could be something about mammals. That would make sense. And so it'll think here for a little bit, and then if that's not working, then I am going to click up here in this toolbox and type mammals. And I can press enter, or I can click this magnifying glass. Seems like it's not working. Okay, got it fixed. So we have mammals here, we searched it. Now down here I can see a whole bunch of different options, but okay, I see one mammals, all the other, these are mammals. Ooh, this one's about mammals too, so I can look this way and search this way as well. Now this one you see down here has a green box that says read to me with a little speakerphone. That means that this one will read to you. This one does not have the box, so it will not. Now if you just want read to me, then this is the way to go. This is the way to filter it. Here's read to me. If you just want videos, then you can click that. But here's read to me. I can click on the world's biggest mammals, discover mammals. Okay, I'll click on this one. And so I can go through and press play, and it'll read it to me. I can always press pause, but it'll read to me. Can you tell if it's a mammal? This fox is a mammal. So click next. Some people think all mammals have paws or hands. That's not true. So you can click through all these surprising things about mammals. Oh, look here. All mammals have three things in common. All mammals are warm-blooded, have fur, drink milk. Wow, this mountain goat is a mammal. So this tells us exactly what I'm looking for, the characteristics of mammals. So if you're on a Chromebook, then you can screenshot. If you're on an iPad, you press the home button and the lock button at the same time, and it will screenshot it. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to press Command-Shift-4, and I'm just going to highlight this part. I get my page numbers in here and everything. So now I can click on this, and I am just going to highlight. And right here where it says all mammals have three things in common. Oh, I can just circle this part right here. So all mammals are warm-blooded, and have fur, and drink milk. Oh, look at that, this is fancy. So I'm going to save that, done. And now I've saved it to my background. So now I can go back in Canvas here, and I can submit my assignment. Remember, the box will be up here. But I can scroll down, submit assignment. I can choose my file, and then I can close on my screenshot, submit assignment. And there we go, all done. So you just get 1 point for correct response. I just need one characteristic. If you want to give me more, that's super cool too. If you just want to type it up, tell me what page it's on and what you saw. And then you are all done. All right, good luck, friends. I love you so much. Bye.